Welcome to Rickover Junior High. My name is Mrs. Chantel Daly Bullock, your school principal. This school year, 2020, has presented many challenges due to COVID-19. I would like to reassure our students, our parents, and the community that we are prepared to face many of these challenges. You can count on us to deliver engaging instruction virtually to all students. We are very much so dedicated to ensure our students grow academically and socially. Here at Rickover, we offer intervention and enrichment programs for students, as well as extracurricular clubs and activities that will fully engage our students. I would like to introduce to you our two assistant principals, Mr. Charles Bentz and Mr. Brian K. Willis Jr. I am confident that my leadership team and staff will provide the needed supports for our parents, our students, and our community.
Thank you, Ms. Chantel Daly Bullock, and welcome Rickover families to our first virtual open house. My name is Charles Bentz, and I am one of the assistant principals at Rickover Junior High School. I would like to take a moment to review some of our recent celebrations in Community Consolidated Schools, District 168. This year, our district applied for the CARES grant, which allowed our district to purchase enough computers for our district to go one-to-one. This means for every child in the district, we have one Chromebook available for loan. For the past 2 weeks, our Media Center specialist, Ms. Danielle Baker, along with our staff, have distributed these new devices to registered students to use during the 2020-2021 school year. These new Chromebooks provide our students with the needed cutting-edge technology to navigate the virtual educational environments our Rickover staff has created for them. Since August 19th, our students have been active in our Google Classrooms as they engaged in online discussions, submitting digital assignments, and exploring new online realms. Our most recent celebration took place on August 27th with our Back to School Bash Bonanza Ride By Parade. Parade started at Wagner Elementary School and traveled throughout the Sauk Village area with a 2-hour celebration of our students and their families returning to school virtually. A special thanks to all those involved that made the event a success, including our superintendent, Dr. Donna Leek, all of our school board members, especially our town hall liaison, Miss Marva Campbell-Pruitt, Mayor Burgess, our town hall members, Police Chief Malcolm White, and our Sauk Village Police Department, Fire Chief Stephen Barrett, and our Sauk Village Fire Department, ESDA Director Alan Barbarick, PTO President Miss Serena Jones, our DJ Mr. Gooch, our volunteer Rickover Band, and our wonderful staff at District 168. At this time, I would like to turn you over to Rickover Assistant Principal Mr. Brian K. Willis Jr. to share the plans for this evening's virtual open house.
Thank you, Mr. Bentz. Hello, Rickover families. My name is Mr. Brian K. Willis Jr., the other assistant principal here at Rickover. Tonight you have the unique experience to participate in our first ever virtual open house. Let me walk you through tonight's events. Tonight, your student will log into their Google Classroom and walk through their entire schedule with you. Each period will have a presentation from their teacher. After each period, you have 3 minutes to get to the next class. When your student has lunch, that will be a time for you and your student to take a break. Please remember, when you come into the Google Classroom, to first click the Google Meet link. Secondly, we want you to have your cameras on and your microphones muted. Tonight will be a great night for our families to meet their students' teachers, and this starts a great school year for Rickover. Thank you.
As you embark on this evening event, our open house, I want you to enjoy your journey as you meet our dedicated staff in your child's Google Classroom. Once again, I would like to say welcome to the start of the school year 2020. Welcome to Rickover Junior High, and I am looking forward to meeting so many of my parents, so many of my students, whether it's virtually and hopefully in the near future in person. We're going to have a great year. Go Raiders!